Problem 9-57. The gravity wall is made of concrete. Determine the location of the center of mass G for the wall. So to do this, I'm going to cut it into 4 sections. A rectangle at the bottom, a triangle on the left, a rectangle in the middle, and a triangle on the right. I'm going to name this one 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on 1, the area equals 2.4 plus 0.6 is 3, plus 0.6 is 3.6 times the thickness 0.4. And that's 1.44 meters cubed. For number 2, we got one area equals 1/2 the base. And the base there is, let's see here, that's 1.2, 2.4, so this overlap is 0.6, so that's going to be 1.8 along the base here, and the height is 3, and that's equal to 2.7. Number 3, the area is equal to the width, 0.6, because that's 1.2 minus 0.6 is 0.6. So 0.6 times the height 3, and that's 1.8. And then for number 4, the area again is 1/2, and the base here is 0.6, and the height is 3, and that equals 0.9. We'll total up those areas and get the sum of the areas equals 6.94. Now let's find the x squiggly for each one. So the x squiggly is the x distance to the centroid of each one. So this centroid of 1 is going to be halfway of 3.6, which is 1.8. The centroid of this, we got 1.6 here, or 0.6 here, and this is going to be 2/3 of the base, and the base was 1.8, so 2/3 of that is 1.2. So 1.2 from here plus 0.6 is also 1.8. And then the centroid of this is 0.6 across here, so that's 0.3. 0.3 plus this distance. Okay, so this was 0.6. This is 1.8. And so, and then plus a 0.3 is 2.1, 2.7. So 2.7 for that distance. And then this is 3, and this right here is going to be 0.4 from there. So that's going to be 3. I know this one is 6, so it's 0.4 from there. So that's going to be 3.2. I think it's, see, this distance here is 3.6. Yeah, 3.2. So y squiggly is going to be 0.2 up, and then this is 3, so 1 up there, so 1.4, and then halfway up is 1.5, plus 0.4 is 1.9, and then 2 up from here, then plus this, so it's 2.4. So x squiggly is equal to the sum of x bar is the sum of x squigglies times a over the sum of a. So 1.8 times 1.44, that is, I'm multiplying this column times that, plus 1.8 times 2.7 plus 2.7 times 1.8 plus 3.2 times 0.9, all divided by 6.94, and the answer is 15.3. Y bar is the sum of y squiggly a over the sum of a. So 0.2 times 1.44 plus 1.4 times 2.7 plus 1.9 times 1.8 plus 2.4 times 0.9, and all divided by 6.94, and we get the answer of 1.39. This isn't right. Not 15.3. It's 15.3 divided by 6.94, which is 2.2. Sorry.